MCBRex here with another video without Famemode123, but he will be posting soon, hopefully this weekend. So today's video isn't actually a tutorial on how to create a project. It's actually a walkthrough on how to play my first platformer and latest game, Yellow, the monochromatic platformer. So you use W, A, D, up arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key to move. And like always, get the flag and avoid spikes. You can mute, unmute. That was from Toast MC, I think, the mute button. I modified it a bit to make it look a little better. I like the other one, but I like this one more. So I just modified it a little to my liking. So without further ado, let us begin this short walkthrough. Get up there, up there, up there. Like that. And the final level right here. Very short, only 5 levels, but like I said, if this gets enough loves, views, and favorites, I'm definitely adding 5 more, and then so on, so on. And after that, I might just add levels for the fun of it, because platformers are really fun to make. You don't want to... That is my cat. Alright, cat, stop it. Platformers are really fun to make, but you don't want to make too many of them at one time, otherwise nobody likes them. So I'll be releasing quite a few after this, but not all at one time, because that is not good. Here, let me just show you what to do if you happen to get stuck down there. There's no way out, so just press the R key to restart the level. Alright, cat, stop. No. Yeah, no, you don't need that. No. Let's just ignore the cat now. And then this is the end screen. This is just a follow button that I got from someplace, but I don't exactly know where, so I can't credit anybody for it. I made it yellow. I just got a yellow heart emoji and a star emoji, copy and pasted them into text instead of as an image format. Just typed, I hope you enjoyed in here. And yeah, so that is Yellow, a monochromatic platformer. I hope you check it out, or if you came to this video, let me rephrase this. If you got to this video from the project, then now you can go back to the project and play it with the very few tips I gave you, because there are only a few tips I need to give you, because it's a very generic platformer. So if you can, love and favorite Yellow, yeah, and like this video because it supports us as creators. Me and Famemode123, that is. Like I said, we'll be posting probably Famemode this week. Hold on a second. The cat says that he likes to do scratch. He wishes he was orange and yellow, but I mean orange and white, but he's not. He's black and white. Anyway, drop a like, love, maybe a favorite, and see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.